Okay, come here. Come here. Come here na, baby. So, biurat yung mapila. Okay, so imano-mano na lang ito, bro. Sa mga kids. Together with the balloon para sa katagtag na lang. Okay. Alright, so this time, let's listen for the thank you message of the mother. Prepare. Okay, so wala. So ako na lang. So in behalf of this family, so nagpapasalamat na in behalf of this family and from McDonald's and TK, so nagpapasalamat ako kay Ma'am. And of course, Acer and Zoe for choosing us for the Zoe's birthday celebration here in McDonald's and TK. And before that, pwede ako ka-promote ka, ma'am? Okay. So, we have... Okay, so we have on August 21, we have back to school fun day. So, for only $399, you have a bag, 1-piece chicken, orange juice, and a toy. And so fries, game prizes, and together with hamburger and burger here in McDonald's and tickets. So we have a limited slot for the tickets. So approach, kung sa base ko sino willing mag-join sa mga kids, approach lang ang marketing in charge and manager in charge for the slots of the tickets. So thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so I hope nag-enjoy kita tonight for the Zoe's birthday celebration. Alright, so thank you so much, everyone, and God bless! Ay, sorry. So birthday, hindi nabilin. Okay, so one last hand for Zoe birthday. Happy na birthday, ha? What is birthday? Wala na panusit, birthday. So, wala na nga tuka. Okay, one last have birthday. Wow! Alright, so thank you so much, Zoe. Alright, so one last. Goodbye for birthday. 1, 2, 3, bye, birthday! Okay, so thank you so much, birthday.